Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I've created a brand new project, and this spring one I cannot wait to open up with you. Welcome back, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. I've created a beginner style mini album. Now this one is for anyone, of course, but specified for beginners. So I absolutely love the way this one turned out. I did use Mintay papers, Farm Life by Corolla, beautiful illustrations, watercolor, and it's just fantastic. I had a blast. I already do have the tutorial class available, and I'll leave it as a link down in the description. And for all the newcomers, I am an art instructor specified in these little mini albums and scrapbooks. I've got over 22 amazing students and a Facebook group with over 530 of them interacting and sharing their projects together and with me. It's so super fun. So if you wanted to see what my online video classes look like, I will be playing a tutorial trailer after we walk through this book together. So as you can see right here on the front cover, I've actually popped up a couple stamped pieces, and I fussy cut these little frames out of the back of some of the cut apart pages that they had. They did have an elements page, 12 by 12, where you can fussy cut out all these little images. This was one of the cut aparts. I have some lace trim from the Dollar Tree, and this was one of the nice signature pages here that I just wanted to use for my front mat. And that's super cute little picnic paper. That's what I call it. Super cute farm theme. Love it. Some more of the lace. And then I used some satin ribbon also from the Dollar Tree. You'd be very surprised what you can find. And I popped the elements up. Super easy. This book came together in one day, and it holds 30 plus photos. It's a blast. And right here on the front inside cover, you'll notice that I have a pocket and some more lace right there, and a couple tags. Very simple. And a piece of that little fussy cut image of wheat right there. A variation of just 4x6 photos, no cropping necessary. Keep it super duper simple, okay? That's what I ended up doing with this. And this flap is held down by those tags. And here's the inside of that. Cute little watering can and a couple more tags out of the paper line. And of course you can stuff loose 4x6 photos or even make some more little mats of your own. And you can stick them in this pocket. Got a photo space up here as well. Oh my goodness, this just came together so fast. It was so easy to do. And I have to thank my friend Tanya. Oh my goodness, this paper is adorable. I love it so much. Again, another photo spot right there. Little picket fence. A couple little berries hanging down. A nice little floral arrangement there. And a little spray of leaves. Got the little chickie. Okay, beautiful portrait style photographs can go right here. And on the back, super easy, simple. Here's a little element that you can pull out. And we've got a little pocket in here. Some room for landscape photos there, how we can switch it up super simply. And then this holds it closed, just like this. Photo space on the back as well. Got the wood grain going on. Absolutely in love. A couple more photo spots. And a cute little ducky. This paper is so cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. I just kind of arranged these on there. Super adorable white and yellow plaid right there. And again, a repeat on the back inside cover. I threw out a couple different cardstock colors for the picture mats, but besides that, it's pretty simple. And this is what I created. I have the full entire tutorial. I go with you completely all the way start to finish with you, and the trailer will be playing next. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next tutorial. Bye. Hello, my friend. I'm honored to be here with you. Welcome to the Beginner's Mini Album class. This project comes together in one day, and my Fiskars paper trimmer. This is wonderful. I do have my Martha Stewart bone folder as well. This is my best friend. And I have the ATG gun. Again, you can get the refills from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and the amounts of paper and chipboard will all be in the cut list down below in the resource tab. A little bit of a chicken wire fence there. Some more plaid, super springy. Totally love it. Beautiful wood grain. I have my chipboard right here, and you'll notice each medium weight chipboard has like a stiffer side and then a wobblier side. And if you have like a little bit of slight overlap over here and it's not completely lined up, don't even worry about it. Not a big deal. Remember to be easy on yourself throughout this entire process. Now you can apply as many or as few strips of this in here as you'd like. This is a balanced amount though, right there. Pre-burnish. I need a total of 4.5 by 6.5. Very simple, 5 inches along the top. Let's score it 1/2 inch again. And everything else is just gonna follow through, okay? Once you get that, place your thumb there, and let's make sure that stays consistent all the way through. Away from the edge, we don't wanna overlap the adhesive. Tiny bit on the inside, and then we just stick it right on. And there's tons of different ways that you can do this, but I'm not too particular as long as it doesn't look too silly. Center it on, even amount of pressure, lift up, and there you have it. Piece prepared already, and now there's gonna be an 1/8 between these two photo mats right here. Beautiful. 2 pieces, 1 1/4 by 4 1/4. We can go ahead and decide whatever design paper it is that we want to pop out right there.